Hi there, Vicky here. On today's Craft Artist tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the masking and layering technique. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you need to do first, you need to either drop an embellishment, a material, or a background onto your workspace. When I refer to workspace, by the way, I mean the grey area or that sheet of paper, as I like to call it, underneath. So drop a background on it. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put a mask on this. So what we do for that is under the layers tab, where it says background, make sure background is highlighted. If it's layer 1 that's highlighted, click on background because we're working on the background. Always highlight the layer on which you are working on, otherwise nothing will happen. So what we need to do next is we need to go on to this icon here with a plus sign and a picture of a mask and add mask layer. And as you'll notice, it disappears. But we're going to bring the image back by dropping some embellishments on top. Now what I mean by this is, go to your embellishments tab here and start dropping these embellishments on. You won't see the embellishments, you'll only see the outline because it's bringing the image from underneath. And the more textured and fussy the embellishment, the better the picture. So I'm going to just add a few of these here. And you will see the background paper starting to appear. Just going to add a few more. Then get some text going on there, look. Bloom. Oh, if anybody's wondering about this kit, by the way, it's a beautiful kit. It's from G&T Designs and you can buy it from Escape and Scrap and it's called Bloom. Okay, so once you've done that, once you're happy with your overall effect, you can start adding embellishments on the top. Now, in order to do this, you need to make sure you're on layer 1 or the top layer. So click on layer 1 and then when you start adding text, it will stay on the top, like so. Okay, and then you can start adding embellishments, other embellishments. So I might add that one there. Just swivel it around a little bit. Take it up. Now, I'm not very good at pages, scrapbook pages. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not the best. There's people out there that can do fantastic pages, but I'm not one of them. Ha ha! So I'm just going to add a couple of more images, couple more images. No, I don't want that one. We've got a wheelbarrow or something. Oh, plant pot. Now then, we'll put a plant pot on. We'll put a plant pot on. Oops. And then I'll add some flowers coming out of it. And that'll be about me done. Some flags, I think they're called, or iris. I'm going to just change that round. And then I'm going to take it back one so it's behind. And there you have it. That is my attempt at doing a scrap page. Now, like I said, there's a lot of you out there that can do an absolutely fantastic page, but I'm not one of them. Right. So now we've done that, I want to add another background so it pops. So in order to do that, go back down to backgrounds here. Just let me close that tab down. Go to the background layer here. And then instead of adding a mask layer, just add a layer. Okay. Now don't worry that all this comes back. It's supposed to. And it's highlighted on layer number 3. Now what you need to do, you need to click on layer number 3. You need to drag it and you need to drop it under the background layer. Like so. Okay. And it will go back to what you've just designed. Now I'm going to add another background layer. So I'm clicking in my backgrounds, and I've added a few. These aren't in the kit from this down. These aren't in the kit, but all the rest are. And the reason why I'm not using one of them is because you wouldn't notice the difference because they're too pale. So I want a darker darker background. So I'm just going to click on the green. I'm going to drag it and I'm going to drop it. And there you will see it popping before your very eyes. So this is how you do the the masking and layering technique. Now there is a few more techniques and I will do a follow-up video. But for now, just enjoy having a play. I'd love to see some of your pages just using this technique. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask and I will get back to you. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye bye for now.